Order, Senator Cherargei. Order. Senator Cherargei. Senator Cherargei, kindly, I call you to order. Senator Cherargei, have your seat, please. Kindly take your seat. Senator Cherargei, kindly take your seat. Take your seat. I will handle that. Senator Cherargei, take your seat. Senator Cherargei, you take your seat or I'll throw you out. Senator Cherargei. Senator Cherargei, take your seat. Take your seat. I'll handle that. I will handle that. Take your seat. Senator Cherargei, take your seat. I will handle your concerns. Take your seat. I will handle your concerns. Just take your seat. Senator Cherargei. Take your seat. Sergeant at arms. Sergeant at arms. Sergeant at arms. Senator Eddy, take your seat. Senator Cherargei, you take your seat or I'll order you to leave the chamber. Senator Cherargei. Senator Eddy, the chair is in control. Senator Eddy, kindly keep your cool. Senator Cherargei. Senator Cherargei, having prosecuted your concern, kindly take your seat. Senator Cherargei, for the very last time, I'm asking you to take your seat. Senator Cherargei, you're out of order. Kindly proceed to leave the chamber. Sergeant at arms, escort the member out of the chamber. Pardon? I order you to leave the chamber for the remainder of this session, for the remainder of today's sitting. Sergeant at arms, kindly use the necessary force under Standing Order 126 to get the senator out. Order, honorable senators. Order, honorable senators. Senator Mazayo, your utterances are totally out of order. You cannot call a colleague a kid. All the senators seated here are honorable senators. Kindly proceed to withdraw that statement, failure to which I will ask you to leave the chamber. Withdraw and apologize.
Asante Bwana Spika. Bwana Spika, nasikitika kwa matamshi niliyosema kwa ndugu yangu Cherargei. Ni bahati mbaya na mimi nataka kuyachukua niyaregeshe. Asante sana Bwana Spika.
Sergeant at Arms, kindly ring the division bell for 5 minutes. For just 2 minutes.
I'm actually disappointed. You have been doing very selective, giving the members who went to talk. Actually, I'm really disappointed.
Senator Abbas, there's a dashboard.
My friend, it is not the first time or second time. It's actually happening in this place. That's very selective.
Proceed to make your contribution. Of course, I select who speaks.
We need dialogue in this house, actually, before we even go to other places. Okay.
Proceed.
Okay. Mr. Honorable Speaker, I support the motion on the formation of the dialogue committee. I think this is the most appropriate time. This country has actually had a lot of problems in the past and even today. As we proceed with the dialogue, I want to ask the committee members to be very focused, and they shall not be listening to other people outside the committee. And the committee must take the interest of Kenyans first. And one thing I want to tell the country is that actually leaders should allow the dialogue to continue without any interruption. Because you hear always a story that the dialogue between this bipartisan meeting is exercise in futility from top leaders, which is a very unfortunate situation. You hear that if it does not succeed, that we are going back to the street. That should not happen. Therefore, I think this country needs to heal. This country needs to come together. This country needs to move forward. We have had enough. Many Kenyans have died. Many Kenyans have lost their properties. And therefore, it is a time that we come back together and we focus together. And we don't want to any time, because this country has a rule of law. The Constitution has allowed elections to take place, and then every cycle of every year of the cycle of elections, we have problems. This should not happen. The winner must also accommodate. The loser must accept to have lost. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.